Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add dice model to the Proteus library. So here you can see the library folder. You can download this library folder from the link provided in the description. Download it and then you can use it. So let me open it, and here you can see two different folders. One is library and other one is model. So open the library folder and copy this file from here. Go to the desktop and here you can see the Proteus software icon. Right click on it and then go to open file location. So go one step back to the main folder of Proteus 7 and here search for the library folder, open it and now paste it here. So the library file of the dice model is added here. Now close this and go back to the dice model library folder. So here you can see the dice model library folder. Now this time open the models folder and here you can see the dice model. Open it, copy this and now go to this shop. From here right click on Proteus icon, click on open file location and same go one step back and now this time locate the models folder. So here you can see the model, open it and paste the dice model here. Here you can see I have pasted it here. Now close it and now open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again, otherwise it will not update the latest library. So right click on it, open it. Now here search for the dice. So here you can see the dice models A, B, C and D. Let me add all these. Double click on this. Now double click this and this. Now click on OK. So let me place dice A here, then dice B, place it here, then dice C and then dice D. Now let me zoom it to the specific area and now run the simulation. So here you can see it's a red color, it's a white color, it's a green and it's a some kind of gray. The background is white but these dots are gray. You can use these dices for multiple purposes. So this was the method of how to add dices to the Proteus. The library file is available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.